Hi, I'm Subiksha Shri from CAT Chennai Academy of Architecture and Design. Versatile Spaces. This project involves versatile spaces like co-working, co-learning, co-living put together along with urban amenity to form a hub in an urban context. Due to the lack of entertainment zones for kids in Ambattur, I've chosen Children's Play Center to be my urban amenity and art classes for co-learning due to the increasing interest from all age groups. The chosen site is located in Ambattur. Ambattur is located in the northwest part of Chennai city and remains an attraction for IT companies. The site neighborhood has adequate facilities like good transport, important landmarks, well-connected roads and restaurants. The neighborhood is majorly commercial and mixed residential. Dense traffic and sparse vegetation is found in the neighborhood. The site is oriented towards south with a 9-meter wide access road. It contains an existing building, few trees and 2 adjacent abutting roads. Coterie Savanna, a meadow where multitude meet. The mass is generated by the extrusion of plane and subtraction of volumes with response to climate and environment. The spaces are consciously zoned based on functionality and accessibility, and integration of green spaces adds life to the mass. The shorter span of the built mass is oriented towards south and the wider span towards east in order to receive optimum daylight, and the prevailing wind direction is southwest. The design comprises of 6 horizontal floor plates stacked together to form the mass. 2 cores run vertically from the basement connect all the floor plates up to the terrace. Green spaces are incorporated on all the floors either in the form of outdoor spaces or indoor decks. The basement floor is dedicated for vehicular parking, the ground floor for play center and cafeteria, first and second floors for co-learning and co-working, third and fourth floors for co-living. From the ground floor, a ramp drops to the basement floor. The basement consists of 17 car slots and 20 bike slots. It is also provided with 2 staircases and 2 lifts. The main entrance opens to a lounge and a reception in the right. The play area is partially enclosed. The second entrance opens to the indoor dining area on the left, a counter on the right and a kitchen behind it. 2 restrooms are provided and 2 cores are provided at the 2 opposite ends. An outdoor dining space and a garden area are provided in the carved out spaces. Core 1 leads to co-learning space in the first floor. It consists of a reception and a waiting space, a double height discussion area in the center, restrooms in the left, storage and reprography, a space for digital arts, a storeroom and a double height indoor deck. A staircase leads to the other part of co-learning in the second floor. This floor contains a library, workshop and a storeroom. Core 2 leads to co-working space in the first floor. It consists of a waiting lounge, a pantry, an open desk and an indoor deck which are of double height, and private meeting room, private desk, a conference room, reprography, 4 private cabins and 2 restrooms are provided. Another staircase leads to the other part of co-working in the second floor. This floor contains a conference, a lounge, 3 private cabins and an informal seating area. The third floor consists of 10 co-living residential units along with a common kitchen and a double height indoor deck. The same is repeated in the fourth floor too. The sections are made to be dynamic by stacking, shearing and holes in the floor plates. The decks are provided with grass flooring and short trees to bring the essence of nature into the built form. The decks are well lit by using glass panelled walls and skylights. The facade made using wooden panels projecting from the built form acts as a shading device. Short trees are planted in the front facade to let partial sunlight into the building.